Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another super early testnet airdrop, and the project is called City Protocol. They've already raised $7 million in funding, and if you look at their investors, you'll see some big names such as CMT Digital, Mirana Ventures, Jump Crypto, and more. So what does City Protocol actually do? Their tagline says the IP capital market starts here. Let's scroll down a bit and try to understand it more. Basically, City Protocol is building a financial layer that turns intellectual property IP like films, brands, or innovations into tradable digital assets. It lets creators launch projects, communities invest, and ensures revenue flows back to those who build. In short, it's creating the IP capital market where ideas become liquid capital. If you want to know more information, then you can visit their website. If you visit their X profile, you'll notice they have 87k followers at the time of making this video. And if you scroll down, you'll see they are really active there, building a strong community, which is another positive sign. Before joining the project, if you want all the updates related to crypto and airdrops, then join our Telegram channel, which link I'll provide in the description, so don't miss it, check it out. Now to join the project, I'll provide a Telegram link in the video description where you'll find the project page link. After landing there, the first thing you need to do is click Get Started. Then you will see three options. The first one is Connect Wallet. Click on Connect. Then select your wallet. You can choose any of the following wallets. So I'll select Phantom Wallet here. And then click on Connect. And your wallet will be connected. Next, you need to connect your X account. So click on Connect. Then Authorize App. And it's connected. After that, you need to follow them, so click follow. It will redirect you to X, follow their profile, and it's done. After completing all three tasks, click next. After that, you'll see a dashboard where your city ID will be created. It will show your followers, profit loss, trading volume, and city ID points. Scroll down a bit, and here you'll find some tasks for bonus points. You can earn 1x, 2x, or up to 3x bonus points, so don't forget to complete all of these tasks. Also here you will find your referral link, which you can share with your friends. In the leaderboard section, you'll see your total city points and the top point gainers list. Also click on the point guide tab. There you'll find all the details and information about how you can earn points based on holding, trading, referrals, and social activities. Also, City Protocol has a few GALS campaigns as well. I'll include all these GALS links in the Telegram post provided in the description, so don't forget to complete all of them. They're not much complex, and I hope you already know how to complete them. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, then please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.